was real into me.
She said she didn't have no man, paid to give the very best she had. She told me she was all alone.